Want to snag that must-have item at Target now and pay for it later? Let's break down exactly how to use Afterpay at Target, both online and in-store, in just a few easy steps. First, let's cover in-store purchases. Open your Target app. Make sure you've already linked your Afterpay account to your Target account for easy payments. Next, add your items to your cart in the app and choose Afterpay as your payment method. Your app will generate a unique barcode. At checkout, inform the Target team member that you are using Afterpay. They'll then scan the Afterpay barcode directly from your Target app. Now, on to managing those payments. Afterpay will automatically divide your total purchase into 4 equal installments. Due every 2 weeks, you can view and manage these payments within the Afterpay app. Prefer online shopping? Head to Target.com during checkout. Select Afterpay as your payment method. You will be directed to the Afterpay website to log in and complete your purchase. Pro tip: set up autopay within the Afterpay app to avoid any late fees. And you can even change your payment method if you need to. And that's it. Now you can confidently use Afterpay at Target to make shopping even easier. Happy shopping!